Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a 5th year in a row. It's hard to believe I've been here that many times and continue the collaboration and the synergy and the relationship with everybody at the Feed the Need program here in Novi. But it's been beautiful. The kids that remember me from previous years and the future kids that I get, to share my heart with year after year. And even some of the parents and staff, building that relationship and that bond has been awesome. And that kind of tied into today's theme and focus, which is all about leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. And as it relates to whatever we're good at, whether it's sports or arts and crafts, singing, dancing, schoolwork, I mean, there's so many things that we thrive at. But the sign of a true leader is to now take it up a notch and now help somebody else get up to your level, if not even higher, to lift them up higher than yourself. And like we talked about, the most important question, like Dr. King has said, is what are you doing for others? So what more can we be giving? And just like the starfish story, it always matters to even just one. If we can make an impact and make a difference and have a positive effect on somebody, another life, another heart forever, then we're doing our job as human beings and being true leaders. And we talked about the fact that we don't do it because of trophies. We don't do it for pizza parties or money. We do it because it's the right thing to do, right? And we also make sure that we do it even when nobody's watching. That true character means that you stand up and do what's right, have that responsibility, your actions, being proactive, that you are able to still do that even when nobody's around, right? And so knowing that every breath counts, every heartbeat counts, and that we make every day count is what we're trying to instill. And they really got that today when we, shared at the very end, what really affected you, what really did you take home. They were sharing all these key concepts and principles with me. Again, it was a beautiful day, beautiful time with everybody here. Never forget that we're all true miracles, the M on all of our palms, right? The lines of our hand, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, and we make that conscious choice to do that every day. You guys touch my heart as always. Until then, until next time, much love. And as always, don't forget to hit the sub button, like, comment below, whatever you're feeling, how you're being a leader today and always, turn your passion into a purpose. And you can follow my purpose, my journey, by checking out my website, the link here as well that's going to pop up, along with some other videos of where I'll be next. Much love. Have a great rest of the summer. You guys are beautiful. Peace.